IBR's mission is to share innovation and best practices that positively transform the industry and communities where we work. A lot of our owner companies that are our members are nationwide or national and global. We ended up changing the name so that we weren't restricted to the greater Houston area, because some of the things that we do impact all of our owners across the board. So we changed the name so that when emails got sent out and there was information to share, that if it came from an industry group, that people would be more likely to review it, to also share it, and what have you. A lot of times if you're in, say, North Dakota and you get something that says it's from Houston, well, they say, you know, this can't be interest us because it's dealing with Houston. So we changed so that we wouldn't be restricted geographically across the nation. The Safety Excellence Award is the premier award for industry in recognizing contractors for exceptional safety performance. The Safety Excellence Award is an all-positive type of award where contractors get to share what they do well, what good looks like, and what their best practices are. It's not a compliance audit, it's an audit to show what each contractor does well and how they got to the point that they did, which is usually zero injuries and incidents within the industry. There are a number of award categories. Right now, this year, we actually have 15 award categories. There is crane and rigging support. There's specialty contractor hardcraft, which has a small, medium, and large category. There's specialty contractor softcraft, which has small and large categories. And then there's environmental category, specialty contractors environmental, that has a small and large. And then a specialty contractor group of specialty contractors for technical support, small, medium, and large. And then this year, our general contractor, we have small, medium, large, and for the first time, extra large, because we had so many contractors that submitted for the general contractor award that we had to expand to an extra large category. Companies get nominated by their asset owner companies or contractors that they actually subcontract under. So those companies nominate the contractors, and then the contractors go through a extensive vetting process, and then we name the finalist at the tailgate extravaganza that HASC puts on each year. And so to be nominated, they have to be nominated by a company that they work for. A company, in order to win, needs to show what they do, how they do it, and what makes them the best of the best. Every company is trying to achieve best-in-class level of excellence. And so with that, these companies, they take a lot of time, a lot of pride in showing all of the auditors, and they're audited by their peers and asset owner team leaders. They just take and show everything that they do well and share their best practices, and then the best practices are verified in the field. So you have two parts of the audit. You have a actual audit of the programs and processes, and then you have a part of the audit where you go to the field and you interview people to see if what they say is in practice is actually in practice. So we have a verification process. Why are the awards and recognition important to the industry? Because the award process helps us to drive that transformational change within the industry. And I've got a graph that shows over the years that what this does, not only for the contractor community, but also for the asset owners that nominate them. Because the asset owners end up learning just as much as the contractors do from this process, and are able to utilize those best practices and put them into place within their own organizations. What do I envision for the future of the awards process is that it's going to be bigger, better, more expanded, and stretch out geographically to other locations so that everyone can learn and help transform the industry in the way that we have here in our local area. The partnership between IBR and HASC is pretty much to collaborate with the asset owners and the contractors to help transform the industry as we have over the years. I'd just like to say, as far as the Safety Excellence Award, we look forward to seeing everyone at Moody Gardens in Galveston, where we can celebrate all of these wonderful contractors and asset owners and what they've done to help accomplish this large banquet and transform the industry.